What's up? What's up? Welcome, guys, to the show. This is Mora speaking, and today we are in VIB Motors. I don't know, I feel very comfortable when I come here, and Josh, he know this one. I feel, like relaxing. It's different from another showroom. I don't know why. It's something. So today we have something crazy, crazy. So as we see, mashallah, VIB Motors, all the luxury car ever, every day. Yesterday I take a photo with the Cobra, but I didn't get the chance to make the video today because we shot the Scream. And the Scream is something crazy also. You should see this video. And as we see here, SVJ, Lamborghini, SVJ, Lamborghini, Brabus, Lamborghini. So, and this is the secret. No one touch this one. This is the Ferrari 2021. No one can see this one. No have any permission for this one at the moment. But once it will open, we will take the shot for it. See the Huracan Evo. We have a few cars from this one. Look at this heaven. This heaven. Heaven of cars. I'm very happy when I come here. See the Brabus? It's another one. Another one from it. Look at this 2021, the diamond of Mercedes-Benz S500. See the Porsche Turbo GTS, the Kivani Kiros, the Mansouri edition. Look at this, the Mansouri edition. Look at this S-Class, SS, wagon. Mercedes Turbo 4MATIC, A-Class. So much Mercedes around here, so much. This is a CLS, and today we will gonna to shoot Hulk. This is Hulk. This is Mercedes-Benz 2018 AMG GTR. It's crazy one. 6.5 V8, 4.0 liters, twin turbo. It's a spaceship. It's a spaceship. 600 horsepower. And from 0 to 100 in 3.8 something. So 3.5. It's fast. It's very fast. And it's by Mercedes-Benz from Mr. Hulk. Look at the color. I love the color. What about the color, Joe? It's very, very nice, huh? Look at this. Look at this beautiful shape of the LED Mercedes lights. Look at the signature of AMG. Look at the front camera. This is a front camera for the night vision, guys. This is the logo of the Benz. Look at this aggressive beginning. Look at these grills. Look at these grills. So, wow. Wow. It's super sport racing car. It's very, very fast car, and it's very, very sport car. So as we see, look at the hood, how is it? Look at this one. And we're gonna to open the engine the next. So if we can mention very quick, this from magnesium and this one from the carbon fiber. Way back here, let's have a look for this beautiful rings by Mercedes, and this is the carbon ceramic by Mercedes. And look at these rims, the 20-inch rims, how is it? And all the tires by Michelin for sure. Look at this fence, how is it? Look at this beautiful fence. V8 B-Turbo. This is B-Turbo, guys. Look at the beautiful mirror of Mr. Hulk. Look at this chrome. Look at this also, all this carbon fiber. Look at this beautiful back of Mr. Hulk. So we have a two vision from this car. We have the AMG GTR Pro and the AMG GTR only. We will try to catch the Pro also. And look at this. Wow. How is it? It's like one line. They get it one line. Look at the aerodynamic also. Everywhere the aerodynamic and the carbon fiber everywhere. Look at the exhaust by AMG. Look at how is it the exhaust? Oh my god. It's something incredible. Look at the signature by GTR. Look at this beautiful wing also by carbon fiber. Wow. So it's a fuel car. As we mentioned, it's like 585 horsepower. It's almost like a 600 horsepower. So we're gonna now to open Mr. Hulk, the AMG GTR Mercedes-Benz. So, and ta-da! Welcome to Mr. Hulk. So we need to mention also this doors is not like a soft doors like the E-Class or S-Class, because it's like very aggressive super sports car. So once we will open like this, Joe, you can join from the other side. So you need to close the door, not be aggressive, but you close the door a little bit stronger, because it will not close by soft system. So let's go inside. Yo. Welcome to the interior of Mr. Hall, guys. Very, very special car today with us, and if we can see all of this crazy function, and we just open the light system and look at this. Wow. And as well also the top speed of it like a 350 kilometer per hour. But if you need to open it more, you can go for the company, and it will be your responsibility, live or die. So yeah, as we can see, all of this beautiful Kantara everywhere is Kantara, and this all handmade stitches by AMG Mercedes. One of the most luxury super sport car ever I see. Look at this piano system. Look at this beautiful screen. Look at this Kantara everywhere with the AMG logo also as well. And this is for the tablet, I mean. And already we are in the, if we can see all the electric function now it's working. And look at this beautiful AC system. Look at this color of piano color, black dark piano color. So yeah, it's amazing. So if we can start very quick, look at this AMG and the stitches, and it's laser and Kantara in the same time. This is the gloves. And the most beautiful thing in this car, it's have like a small storage for the cup holders, and you can keep your phone on the other side also. Look at the sound system, how is it beautiful. Look, the signature by AMG also as well. It's very beautiful. Look at the danger, where they're putting the danger for the car. The danger is upstairs. Yeah, and we can speak about this one. Look at this is the AC function, this is the main menu, and this is the cold and hot to making the AC. Look at the ventilation and how is it unique. Here to control the air, it's working how. And look at this beautiful button all everywhere for the system, for the tablet also. This is the volume. This is the manual system for the gears. Look at this. Look at how is the beautiful gear. It's like a normal automatic car. Here you're pressing the parking by this one. This is reverse. This is the neutral, and this is the drive system. This is the hydraulic. This is the hydraulic, so you can from this button can make the suspension up and down. This is for the track road, and this is the engine for starting. And if we can see also, this is the system. So here the racing, and here sport plus, here sport, here comfortable, and this is individual. Individual means like anyone can drive it. He have a license, sure, but anyone normal one he can drive this car. Yeah, it's very beautiful. I like it too much. See, everywhere. So this is the light system this is for the books, and look at this also. And this is for the gear shifting also. Here like one, here minus, here plus, here up, and here down. So yeah, here is the wiper. Give me a show. Here we can see all this is the signal, this is the left, this is the right, and this is the traction mode between the cars. This is the parking, and this is the light for the auto light and switching off the light. Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's very simple and it's very beautiful because it's like a super sports car. So it's unique, and in the same time it's not have this crazy technology everywhere. So it's only for the track mode and this kind. I love this car, and look at this. If you can recognize this construction for the racing, look at this. So it will tell you don't press too much in the car, don't go for the engine hard drive system and this kind of stuff until you will be in the car limit speed or car limit kilometrage, to don't burn the engine, I mean. Yeah, this is very beautiful one. And if we can see, I will just open very quick the secret engine. We check the engine now. Wow, we open the engine. Let's go. Yeah, let's see the engine. How is it? The engine of Mr. Wow, look at this. Joe, how is it? It's crazy, bro. It's very crazy. Look at this engine. Wow. So look, this is signature by the factory of Mercedes-Benz, of course. And this one is handmade. I mean, every single person gonna to make a car from this car, he will gonna signature his name on the car. It's like a masterpiece. This engine is 4.0, 600 horsepower, V8 engine. From 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. It's a masterpiece. I swear to God, it's a masterpiece. It's like when you're drawing and you put your signature when you're finishing the drawing. And this is all the suspension for the open and closing the hood. And look at by AMG signature. I mean, it's amazing. Look at the light. How is it? It's a beauty beast. It's a sleeping beauty beast, literally. I love Hulk, bro. So now we're gonna to close the hood like this, and cool. So this was our meeting today with the most important German person. I met Mr. Hulk. I hope you like the video, guys, because I was enjoying this car a lot. I love it so much. I feel it so much. So if you like the video, just subscribe our channel, and thank you for 315 or 320 subscribers now, and over 32,000 views around us. Just believe in yourself, believe what you need to do, and make it. Don't listen for anyone. Just do what you want. See you.